Hello students, let me explain the insertion of array at the required position. Now I hope import is clear to all of you. The class name is insertion array. Then we can see the function name, that is a public static void main. Pos is the variable where we are going to store the position of the newly inserted element that will be taken input from the user. Value is the element that we want to insert for, and size is the size of the array. Always remember, whenever we have to take size during runtime of the program, size is taken before the array is supposed to be created. So this is the place we can see that the array is created after taking input of the size. Now size, suppose the user has inputted 10. We can see that when we declare the array, that time we are declaring the array with one increase sized, because the newly inserted element also need a cell, so automatically one element we are inserting, it will increase the size by 1. So that's why we are declaring already, first only we are declaring array with one increase sized, that is new int size plus 1. Then we enter the variables in the array by a normal process, the way we used to insert. Further we are printing that array. Then we are asking the value of the array, that is value, to enter the new element and in new line its position. You can write this in one sentence or in two inputs also, like enter the new element and then enter the position of the newly inserted element. Then further we move down. Now this is the place where you need to understand. Pause here. In the for loop. Okay. So for int I equals to size minus 1, this is what? Now we see that the array is already having, we can go through the explanation over here. Now let us come with this explanation. Suppose the array is created of 10 and the elements are inserted like this. Now in this, we have declared the size of 10. So we can see that the 10 elements are inserted, but virtually there is one more cell present in the array, as we have done size equals to size plus 1 during the array declaration. So this size plus 1 is here. In the loop, suppose we have taken the position of 5. It means that we have to bring each time one cell down to make the 5th position as empty. That's why we are doing over here a for loop. So we can see that for int I equals to size minus 1, I is greater than equal to pos minus 1. This is the position, 5th position. It means we are supposed to index value is 4 and then I plus plus. So I equals to size minus 1. It means that size is your 10 minus 1, that we are talking about 9th location. Now in ninth location we are saying add I plus 1 equals to add I. This is under loop. What is happening over here? I plus 1, it means that at our 10th index location, it means in this cell which is of green color, here we are transferring the value of R9. It means this will come down, and so we can see that now here 110 will come and this cell will become empty. Similarly, the process will increase. Now this will become 8 and the condition is satisfied, and this is your minus minus, it will decrease, and so 90 will come down like this. So here the 90 will come. So each cell 1 will come down. Each time 1 will come down till your 4th index position. Now when it will reach the condition, this cell will become empty, and then the value will get inserted as R4 equals to, and the value whatever, suppose the value is your 53. So 53 will get inserted at R4, and then we will print normally. Now during printing, since this has increased its size, now it is size plus 1, so during printing we write the loop as for I equals to 0, I is less than size plus 1 I plus plus. If it will not write size plus 1, you will see that the last cell value is not inserted and it will only replace this value. So this is the explanation of your insertion of array. Hope it will clear your concept now. Thank you.